YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Now, last night we just hit 630 subscribers, so thank you to all of you that have been down with your boy from day one, the new subscribers, all of that. There's a reason why. Well, first of all, we didn't just hit 630. We hit 631 last night, you know what I'm saying? And there's a reason why I'm saying 631 and not just over 630, man. Every single one of y'all count and means so much to me, man. Thank y'all so much. Thank you for those of you who've been down on the Instagram as well as the YouTube channel, those of you leaving comments, those of you liking videos, those of you sending DMs on Instagram. All of that, man, means so much. Now, as of you who've been around know, the goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So for those of you that are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, man. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. Got a lot going on the channel as well as the Instagram. Also, hit that like button, man. It's free. Definitely hit the like button. Helps the video. I have a feeling I might get a couple downvotes on this video. I might lose some subscribers on this video. So any like definitely helps. It's free. You feel me? And then last but not least, I talked about it already, but follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You know what I'm saying? You get a lot of information up there first. And I did post already this morning that I was going to be doing some sort of rant. So I wasn't even planning on doing a video today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Wasn't planning on doing a video. If I was going to do an episode of Sneaker Talk maybe tomorrow. I might still do it. This might become that. I don't know. But I just want to get into talking about what I want to talk about today, man. So like you see in the title and the thumbnail, man, this is an anonymous Sneakerhead rant, y'all. And I try to keep it 100 with y'all. You know what I'm saying? In all of my videos, with the exception of maybe that University Gold 12 unboxing where I threw the Shaq Foods at y'all. But in every other situation, you know what I'm saying, I keep it 100. So I'm going to just get right into it. First of all, the root of this rant starts with, or I guess kind of ends with, the Jordan 4 Off-White in the sale colorway that's coming out. And I'm going to get into why I'm ranting about this, and that is because it is listed or marketed as women's sizing and extended sizes. Now, from those of you who are sneakerheads who have been around, sneakerheads of all type, have heard this annoyance, this debate forever about men getting women's sneakers and they're taking all the sneakers from women and this, that, and the third. You know what I'm saying? And especially just with this release coming out, I've been hearing a lot about it on Instagram as well as YouTube. A bunch of different YouTube videos people have been talking about, well, men should let women get the women's exclusive sneakers. Why are they making it in extended sizes? They're taking sizes away from women. If they make it in extended sizes, men are going to take all the sizes, blah, 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 blah. Yo, y'all sound crazy, bro. This is my rant. This is the point of my whole rant, right? The craziest part, the most ironic part about a lot of this to me is that a lot of the people, particularly the women, a lot of the women talking about men taking women's sizes, men wearing women's sizes, are sitting here giving you guys this talk like I am right now with a whole wall of men's releases behind them that they could fit into. Now, me personally, I wear a men's size 12, so that would be a woman's size 13 and a half, which you only get in some extended size runs, right? So if I wear a men's size 12 and say this Off-White 4 comes out, right? Say I go after it, try to get a pair, which even if I get a pair, I'll try to get them in like a 10 or something, just because I feel like those sizes are better money sizes. I'm not going to wear this Off-White 4. But anyways, if I get a size 13 and a half in women's, and you're a size 9 in women's, or a size 10 in women's, or a size 7 in women's, whatever you are, why are you mad at sneakerheads, at people for buying sneakers that you can't wear anyway? You know what I'm saying? I see a bunch of women who wear, like I said, men's sizes. You know what I'm saying? Particularly, like, here's an example. My girlfriend is a size 10 in women's, so that's what, an 8.5 in men's. She wears a lot of men's sneakers. I buy her men's sneakers. She wears women's sneakers too. Cool. That to me is like the perfect range right there. You know what I'm saying? From like size 9.5 women to, I think it's like, what is it? Like a size 9.5 in women to like a size, I think 11 in women, because that gets you to what, a 9.5 in men. So like that's like the sweet spot for sizes for both men's and women's feet, because you could get pretty much any release regardless of the size run. You know what I'm saying? You could get any release sitting right there. But what I don't understand is that I've been seeing a bunch of women acting like, oh man, here comes another women's exclusive that they're gonna take away from us. The bots are gonna get them. Oh, all the botters are gonna go out and get them. They're not gonna let any women get their pairs. all the women who want their pairs are not going to be able to get their pairs. Da, 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 da. First of all, people say that like it's impossible. It's 100% impossible for a woman to be a botter. I know I know a singular woman who runs a cook group. You see what I'm saying? She is going to get her off-white 4s. You know what I'm saying? Multiple pairs. Hopefully. Probably 3, 4. I'm not going to say like 10, 20 pairs because it's a pretty limited shoe. But she'll probably get 3, 4, 5 pairs of these off-white 4s and resell them. You know what I'm saying? So, you saying, oh, these resellers, these botters, they're not going to let women get in their shoes. Motherfucker, they don't let men get their shoes either. You know what I'm saying? They don't let, I'm trying to think of what came out recently. Like, even if we just look what you can see behind me. Even something that wasn't even that crazy, like the alternate great 5s. They didn't let us get our alternate great 5s. The botters got them. Botters could be men, botters could be women. What are we complaining about here? You know what I'm saying? Men I never heard a man say, yo, here comes, I don't know, what's coming out recently? The University Gold and Black 12s, right? Say they were only coming out in men's sizes. I think they're coming out in full family sizes. But actually, that's not a good example because, like I said, they're not coming out in just men's sizes. But I think the alternate grade 5s, that's another one. Only men's sizes. You didn't hear men saying, oh, man, the women are going to take up all the little sizes. I'm not going to be able to get my size 8. I'm not going to be able to get my size 9 because the women are going to take them all up. It's a woman's shoe. Why are they calling it a men's exclusive if they're going to make size 8s and 9s? It doesn't make sense, you know what I'm saying? You have women who wear women's size 6s complaining about men buying men's or women's size 12s. That's not for you. And then they're like, oh yeah, well what about the women that actually wear, the women athletes that actually wear like a women's size 13 or a women's size 14?
I forgot to say this while I was recording, but those women that wear women's size 13, women's size 14, they just buy men's releases anyway.
What about the little dudes? They're short dudes, you know what I'm saying? I wear a size 12, so I can't really relate, but you know what I'm saying? I know men who wear like size 7Y. You know what I'm saying? Grown men that wear size 7Y, size 8, size 6Y. You know what I mean? And by the way, the Y sizes are nothing but just men's sizes continue down with a Y after it. There's a reason why men's sizes stop at 8 and youth sizes start at 7.5Y. All it is the exact same sizing scale with a Y after it, and they change the price because the shoe's so small that they use less material. The same reason why they change the price on women's sizes because it's a little smaller and they use less material. If anything, people should be 100% grateful for what's going on with the off-white 4 and the fact that it's women's sizes, because the women's size or the men's size or the kid size doesn't mean anything. The only time a size label means something to me is when it's like a toddler size or a GS size because they get really small. But to me, the kid sizes is nothing but extended men's sizes continued down. You know what I'm saying? Because you get from men's size 18 to 8, then you go 7Y down for 7Y down for youth sizes, but they're just smaller men's sizes, less material, so they cost less. If anything, the reason why I think people should be grateful that this is an extended women's release instead of an extended, or not, it wouldn't be, they don't call it an extended men's release, they call it a full family sizing release, is because pricing would be different. The marketing of the sex of the size is only there for pricing. For example, let's take a regular Jordan that's $190. This full family size. Men's sizes are $190. Women's sizes are $170. Youth sizes, I think, are $150. And then, like, I'm not sure, like, toddler and grit and, like, the little ones, they change. I don't know. I can't tell you off the top of my head what those prices go. But the reason why they do that is just because the size of the foot is different, so we're using less material, so we're going to lower the price. Now, why do I think you should be grateful for that? Because it's crazy how quick people forget. Just like a month ago, what was it, a month ago? 2 months ago? People were all up in arms about these being an extended men's size. So that way they were, in the women's sizes, they were still $250. That's why they did that. They called them a men's size, but they had men's size 5s. They had men's size 6s, men's size 7s instead of 7Y, instead of, you know what I'm saying, instead of 6Y, instead of 7.5Y, instead of like a 8 in women's. They were just all men's sizes from 16 down because of how they are priced. Because they use premium materials here, whatever, Nike wanted to get $250 for each of these shoes, so they just made them all men's sizes and extended the men's run down. As now, what I think the solution is, honestly, I think Nike should release every shoe like they released this one. And you'll see how bad people want the shoe. Regardless of size, every shoe should be the same price. And it should be not even called a men's size or a women's size. It should be like, yo, this is a size 12. Unisex size 12. You know what I'm saying? If you can fit it, you can get it. You know what I'm saying? If you can fit it, you can get it. Unisex size 12 from, yo, you know what I'm saying? We got a size 1, a size 2, a size 3, a size 4, all the way up to a size 18. Unisex, whichever one you can fit, go ahead and get it. Put your foot in it and fit it. But we're going to price them the exact same way. Y'all wouldn't like that. Small people who wear size 6s and size 4s who are used to getting $190 shoes for $170 be like, hold up, bro. I don't want to pay that extra $20. My foot's small. Nah, bro, because y'all complaining about size runs, right? Male, female size runs, toddler size runs. You don't hear no little kids, right? A lot of female sneaker YouTubers, you know what I'm saying, wear like 6Ys, 5Ys. You don't hear no little kids 5th, 6th, 7th grade coming out. Hey man, I'm sick of y'all women taking our sizes. They released these shoes for us. They released them for kids. Why are you taking our sizes? Let us wear our sizes. All the botters and everything is taking the kid sizes from the kids. Let kids be kids. You don't hear none of that. So why do you hear it the other way, bro? Yo, if you can fit the shoe, go ahead and get the shoe. Now, I understand people being upset that they can't get their shoe because millions of people are going to go for these off-white 4s, myself included. There's only 56,000 pairs. Odds of us getting our hands on a pair, extremely, extremely, extremely low. You know what I'm saying? Out of the millions of people that are going to be going for them. Am I going to be upset if I don't get them? Hell yeah. Is a female sneakerhead going to be upset if she doesn't get them? Hell yeah. Am I going to be upset because, the woman took all the sizes? Or should she be upset because, the men took all the sizes? No. We're both equally going to be upset because the damn bots took all the sizes. Whether, like I said, I know a woman who runs a cook group. She runs bots. Her female woman is going to get the sizes. Now, I'm not going to say all the male sneakerheads and botters got them because I know that's just one woman I know. I'm sure there's a bunch of others running bots, running cook groups. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I know that I got off on a bunch of tangents there, but the video is getting a little long, man. I just want to cut it off. Just let y'all know how I feel about this. I'm so sick and tired of hearing about people complain, men and women, you know what I'm saying? Because I complain all the time about women's releases. Like the I want, you know what I'm saying? There's a bunch of women's releases that I really, really want that I would like to see in extended sizes. There's a bunch of men's releases I really, really want. I would like to see extended sizes. I actually only have one women's release in my collection. I still haven't even worn it yet. And that is, once again, it's another off-white shoe, but it's the off-white waffle racer. If anything, Virgil sees the future. Virgil sees like, yo, fuck it, let everybody wear a shoe. I'm gonna make it women's sizes because you could extend those sizes the most. People will accept a men's or a woman's 13.5 quicker than they'll accept a men's 5. Just like you can see the outrage over these. People weren't willing to accept a men's 5, but they'll accept a woman's 13.5 more than they'll accept a men's 5. So I think Virgil does see the future in that, and that's why he's starting to make all of these women's releases in extended sizes. But guys, that is it for me, man. That is my rant here, you know what I'm saying? That is how I feel on the whole size thing and the whole people being upset. For example, if my girlfriend was a big time sneakerhead, this is the last thing I'm gonna say. If my girlfriend was a big time sneakerhead, she wears a women's size 10, so a men's size 8.5, and she gets a men's size 8.5 on something super hype that comes out, right? Say like the Chunky Dunkies that came out, and she got a men's size 8.5, but she's a woman's 10. I wouldn't be like, no, you women are taking all the sizes. You women took my size 8.5. Why the fuck would I be mad that you took a size 8.5 and I wear a size 12? I can't do a fucking thing with that size 8.5. Congratulations, you got it. If you wear a woman's size 7 and I get a men's size, and I get a woman's size 13.5, why the hell are you mad that I got that woman's size 13.5 and you wear a woman's size 7? You can't do nothing with that shoe. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video, man. Like I said, I feel like I'm gonna get a couple downvotes here. Feel like I may lose some subscribers here, but it is what it is. I'm keeping it 100 with y'all all the time. You know what I'm saying? I like to look at things for what they are. I like to see things completely for how they present. And from, like I said, from the money aspect, there's a reason why some shoes are labeled in men's sizes all the way down, and there's a reason why some shoes are labeled in women's sizes all the way up. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you did happen to like the video, the little crazy rant tangent situation, go ahead and join the channel, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit your notification bell, join the family. You know what I'm saying? A lot more content coming. I actually may have some better quality videos coming soon. I'm trying to figure out a whole camera situation, so that could be coming in the next couple weeks, so look out for that. Also, since you made it this far, you might as well, like I said, go ahead and hit the like button, because I'm pretty sure if you made it this far, you like the video. You feel me? Pretty sure you like the video if you made it this far, so hit the like button. Like I said, I feel like this is going to get a bunch of downvotes, but it is what it is. And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. You get a lot of content up there first. But that is it. That is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.